I need more hours in the day. I always seem to run out of time when I think about you. I could be doing other things, but you're always on my mind when I'm not around you. And it sounds so cute, sounds so sweet, if you felt the same way about me. But this love is unrequited and I try to fight it. You're not a want, you're a need. Need more hours in the day. Oh, just to think about you. Oh, when I say ooh, all I do is think about you. Oh, when I say ooh, all I do is think about you. I lift up off the head, now it's broken. Stepped in the right time to feel emotion. I turned around because I like to dance alone. You were fine, so I was glad that I was chosen. Out of all the buff things at the party, when we spoke, I knew I had just what you wanted. Island babe, our connection felt all. The wickedest where I went, you follow. And this would sound so cute, sound so nice. If the nights when there would suffice, but you're cold and I'm reminded that you're not mine, and that you're alright. More hours in the day, just to think about you. Now when I say ooh, all I do is think about you. And now when I say ooh, all I do is think about you. And now when I say ooh, all I do is think about you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing and sharing and commenting and following and everything you do. Thank you for buying my merch. You can find my merch on my website, which is on all my socials, or at www.kira.com.au.